Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Together. Today, we are talking about something very important: how to speak confidently in English. Many people know some English. They understand videos. They understand simple conversations. But when it is time to speak, they feel shy. Their heart beats fast. Their voice becomes low. If you feel this way, you are normal. Confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is something you build with small actions every day. The real reason you feel shy? Most people think, I am shy because my English is bad. But that is not true. You are shy because you are afraid of judgment. You are afraid people will laugh. You are afraid of making mistakes. You are afraid of sounding different. But here is the truth. People are usually kind, and even if someone judges you, their opinion does not change your future. You learned your mother tongue by making mistakes. No one spoke perfectly as a child. So why do we expect perfection in English? Confidence grows when you accept this. Mistakes are part of learning. Stop waiting to be perfect. Many learners wait for the perfect time to speak. They say, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. I will speak when my pronunciation is perfect. But perfect English does not exist. Even native speakers make mistakes. Instead of waiting, start speaking with simple English. For example, I am learning English. I am nervous, but I am trying. Please speak slowly. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful because they help you communicate. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes because you speak. Daily habits that build confidence. Confidence is built with habits, not motivation. Here are 3 simple habits you can follow. 1. Speak alone for 5 minutes. Talk to yourself about your day. I woke up early. I studied English today. I feel tired but happy. This trains your mouth and your brain. 2. Repeat after videos. Watch one simple English video. Pause and repeat the sentences loudly. Do not repeat in your head. Repeat with your voice. 3. Use new words today. Learn 3 new words. Use them in your own sentences the same day. These small habits look simple, but they change your confidence slowly and deeply. How to think in English. Many learners think in their native language and then translate to English. This makes speaking slow and stressful. Start thinking in simple English. When you walk, think, I am walking. When you eat, think, I am eating lunch. When you are tired, think, I need rest. This is not grammar practice. This is mind training. When your mind becomes comfortable with English, your mouth becomes confident. How to speak without fear of people. Fear becomes smaller when you face it slowly. Start with safe people. Speak with a friend who is also learning. Speak with people who are patient. Speak in comments on YouTube. Remember, most people respect effort. They do not expect perfection. If someone corrects you, say, thank you. I am learning. This simple sentence removes shame. You are not here to impress people. You are here to improve yourself. 30-day confidence challenge. Here is a simple 30-day challenge. Every day, speak English for 5 minutes. Repeat 5 sentences from a video. Learn 3 new words. Write 1 small paragraph about your day. Do this for 30 days. Do not aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. After 30 days, you will not be perfect, but you will be braver. And bravery is the start of confidence. Final message. Speak, even if your voice shakes. Let me tell you something honestly. You do not need to wait to be confident to speak. Speak even if your voice shakes. Speak even if your sentences are simple. Speak even if you make mistakes. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. You are not slow. You are learning. Thank you for learning with me on Learn English Together. We are not perfect. We are learning together.